Everything that you want in life is based on energy.
It's a life-changing event.
A holistic feeling, I would say.
Experiential.
So amazing, so powerful.
Beyond explanation.
Blissful. Divine. Everything here is divine.
We are holding on to so many blockages within us, whether it is in career or relationship.
Earlier, I didn't have clarity. Money-wise also, I had many blocks. And I was not sure what exactly I need to do. And a lot of fears were there.
I have spent around 17 years now in corporate industry, but I was not having kind of fulfillment which I was looking from so many long years.
I was a girl who was very underconfident. I used to listen a lot to society and act the way society wanted me to act. I actually never liked men much, to be very honest. I never trust them.
I'm very bad at receiving love. I had a bad experience in my early adulthood. One married woman misused me. So that affected my marriage also.
I always keep a boundary in my life, in personal or the professional life, that especially men I will not allow to enter my boundaries.
God has given you this gift of life, but you're choosing to be less than who you are. We all have a huge potential. Do not settle for less. Keep tapping into your Shiva and Shakti to keep giving the gift to the universe.
This program has sharpened my shop. Mr. Dev Gadhvi has brought out clarity in the perspective of what exactly the balance between Shakti and Shiva. Unless you have this combination, we cannot get the results with the least effort.
Now, at least I have understood that what is the difference between both energy and where I need to use which one. So definitely in my family life and in my business, I'll try to use both. Whatever money blocks I had, it completely got removed, and then fear is completely removed.
I realized that probably I was toward more on the feminine side, which is Shakti side. But as an entrepreneur, as a leader of the family, there should be a good balance between Shiva and Shakti. So that is a big realization for me. And I think that will help me improving my relationship with my family.
For a person to be in a good state of mind where he is not disturbed, most important is you need to know Shiva and Shakti for your own personal well-being. So now I know where to work. If I have to work within me.
The time when Gurudev says to do the warrior cry, that was ultimate. Like, I felt that something which was just told from long gone, it just came out like a warrior, and I just shouted my whole heart out. Just because of this ceremony, I got a lot of confidence in myself, and now I feel that things are gonna change in my life. When we were supposed to frame a circle, and then men were collected between the circle, and they were acting like warriors. So now that I have seen their energy and seen the pureness in their eyes, I can now say that, yeah, men are not all bad.
Today I feel like a lot of my beliefs has been broken, those barriers and so many things. I now feel it's fun to fall. That is also there. There are people and the universe is there to support even if I am falling.
My perception about women has totally changed. Usually I used to move away from women. Whenever I see women, I make a barrier between them and me. last 2 days has made me such a wonderful realization that we should embrace them with divine energy.
This is an opportunity you will never get anywhere. Unless and until you tap into your inner energy, it is not possible to do something bigger. So this is a platform where you will get to know your inside world as well as outside world.
This is one organization which teaches you business and humanity together. This kind of content is not taught anywhere. So I feel this program is worth $1 zillion.
The best gift you can give it to your family is your healing. Transform your energies, transform your life.